It is with a deep sense of fulfillment and gratitude to Almighty God that I stand before you today to commission the water supply network to Karu and its environs. We are here not just to cut a ribbon, but to breathe life into a fundamental human right that has eluded this bustling community for far too long. Today, we declare that the era of neglect for our satellite towns is officially over. When we launched the Renewed Hope agenda, we made a sacred covenant with the Nigerian people. We promised that governance will no longer be a theoretical exercise confined to the boardrooms of the city centers, while our people in the periphery thirsted for basic amenities. We promise a government that listens, a government that plans, and crucially, a government that delivers. Just a year ago, when we commissioned the Greater Abuja Water Supply Project, I stood before the nation and gave a strict directive. I said the metropolitan loops must not end in the elite districts. They must stretch. They must expand into our satellite towns where the heartbeat of Abuja's working class population truly resides. When the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Barrister Nigerianpolitics, brought the proposal for the Karu water supply project, we did not hesitate. We knew that water is life, and denying our people clean water is denying them health, dignity, and economic progress. To show our unwavering commitment, we did not allow the traditional shackles of bureaucratic delay to obstruct its funding. Because we paid on time, the contractors CGC Nigeria Limited worked on time. And today, we are commissioning over 194 kilometers of secondary and tertiary pipeline networks, bringing treated, safe, and potable water directly to the doorsteps of Karu, Orozo, Gikoi, Kurudu, and surrounding communities. Let me take a moment to commend the minister projects of our administration, the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Barrister Nigerianpolitics. Leadership is not measured by the eloquence of television commentary or the bitterness of empty rhetoric. Leadership is measured by tangible, verifiable impact on the lives of ordinary citizens. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, what we are witnessing in the FCT today, across transport, healthcare, education, housing, roads, and now massive water infrastructure, is a testament to what happens when vision meets executive capacity. Thank you, Mr. Project, for your leadership. For decades, the residents of Karu grew into a thriving teeming population, yet were left to depend on unsafe boreholes and water vendors. Previous administrations came and went, leaving promises in their wake. But our administration does not trade in promises, we trade in results. To my dear people of Karu, of course, their most prominent son is seated here, Senator Tinubu Phillips Aduda. This infrastructure belongs to you. It was built with your common will and designed for your well-being. I therefore urge you to safeguard these installations against vandalism and illegal connections. Do not look the other way if unscrupulous elements try to compromise what has taken years of effort and resources to deliver. Treat this water as the precious resource that it is. As we mark the third anniversary of this administration and celebrate the historic 50th anniversary of the creation of the FCT, let this project serve as a blueprint for what is to come. We are replicating these interventions in Buhari and other area councils. Our commitment to urban renewal and rural integration is absolute. My dear residents of the FCT, and indeed all Nigerians, I give you this assurance. This administration will continue to reform, will continue to build, and will continue to ensure that the wealth of the nation, of this great nation, trickles down to the people who need it most. And on this note, and on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, it is now my singular honor and privilege to officially commission the water supply network to Karu satellite town and environs to the glory of God and for the benefit of the good people of the Federal Capital Territory.
Mr. President, let me once again support the Honorable Minister of State for welcoming you to Karu in Amak, Abuja, to today attend the 9th day of commissioning of projects. And also thank you, in spite of the fact that you are coming from a national assignment from Nasarawa State, you made it directly here. Without commitment, without support, you may have given one reason or the other not to be here. So don't take it for granted. We want to say thank you for your support to the FCT administration. Before I move forward, let me use this opportunity, Mr. President, to congratulate your party for winning Saturday by-election, and also congratulating my party for maintaining the opposition.
Yes, so we get our leader.
In every political setting, there must be winners and there must be opposition. Today we are seeing the ruling party and the opposition party. Opposition party is not by talking, it's by challenging the ruling party. And we are the only party that is challenging the ruling party. So we are the leading opposition party. Your Excellency, Mr. President, sometimes in September 2024, when Mr. President traveled to Beijing, we are privileged to accompany Mr. President for that journey. And in that journey, we were able to sign Memorandum of Understanding with CGC and FCT for CGC to be able to provide water supply in the satellite town. Your Excellency, you recall that last year, when you were having the second year anniversary and commissioning the Abuja Greater Water Supply, you did say that we should move from the city to the satellite town. And in the budget of 2025, under the national budget, included water supply to the satellite towns in Amak, Karu, and its neighboring communities, and also in Buhari area council. So you provided water for satellite towns in 2 area councils, Amak and Buhari. Mr. President, because you directed a full and early release of water provided in the national budget, today, less than 1 year, you have come back to commission the provision of water in Karu and its neighboring communities. But for your support, it wouldn't have been possible. Before 1 year, this contract was awarded, like the ES or the FCT has awarded August last year. We're in June commissioning this project, which is less than 1 year. Mr. President, we want to sincerely thank you for what you've done. In July 14th, we'll also commission the one of Buhari and Buhari Area Council. You have said it's not only providing infrastructure in the city, is not only providing roads in the city and satellite town, but that which is very fundamental, which is water, must also be given to the people. Here we are in Karu. I'm sure the community will be happy, the communities will be smiling, that indeed, to the glory of God, the New Hope agenda is working and people can see it. Mr. President, we sincerely thank you. Mr. President, I do know that it is not only this water supply in Karu that you'll be commissioning this year 3rd anniversary. I'm sure either on the 26th or 29th of this month, you will also come back to Karu and commission virtually all the roads within Karu, which you have made the people of Karu to be happy. And the CGC Deputy Managing Director has said Karu is one of the fastest growing communities to be urban. In fact, I don't know why we should continue to refer them to the satellite town. Again, Senator Philip Tanimu Adudua, you are here today. I'm sure. Hold on. I'm sure you are happy. You are in the House of Representatives under a president. You are a senator under a president. None of this thing happened in Karu. But now you are supporting a president who understands, who means well for the rural community. Today, you are getting water in Karu. Today, you are getting roads in Karu. I hope, like our people say, one good turn deserves another. If you do for me, I do for you. If you fall for me, I fall for you. Now that the New Hope has come and have done for you and have fallen for you, I hope Karu community at the appropriate time will also fall for us. You hope you understand that. I also hear that you are likely to go back to Senate very fast. You know who will win the presidential election. You are going to attach yourself to that mandate. Congratulations in advance.
Yes, so we can tell me something. If we dey follow Tinubu, make you no follow corner. Yes, so we can tell me something.
Mr. President, I know how occupied you have been, and today will not allow you to stay too long so that I can go back and do other things. We are very happy receiving you. So I would therefore welcome you to talk to the people of Karu and commission the water project. Thank you and God bless you.